What is up, YouTube? TJP Fishing Outdoors with you, coming out with another banger. Today we're just going fishing. I feel like a lot of YouTubers get wrapped up in the challenges and just don't focus on just plain bass fishing. And right now it's evening time. The rain just quit a little bit ago, so we're gonna just head out to the pond and just try to catch us some fish. I got a Guggen Squad bandito bug in the flaming hot color rigged up. I got a topwater, the Guggen Squad nightclub revolver rigged up, and I got a spinnerbait, the Zinger, rigged up. So without further ado, let's get right into some good old bass fishing. All right, guys, so we're at the pond, and I'll pop up the temperature and all of the information about the water conditions and everything today, probably over here in this corner, just to show you what we're working with. It's about 6 o'clock, evening time, about 50 degrees. So after the rain, hopefully we'll catch some bites. I'm going to start off flipping under the dock as usual with the old bandito bug in the flaming hot color. Just pick these up from the old local Dick's and like the store, not my actual. Yeah, you get the point. So simple Texas rigged. For the hook, I stuck it back in the bait to make it weedless, just to see if there's anything here. Yes, there are other waters that I go to besides this, but this one's just nearby, and I usually have luck fishing, but we'll see how it turns out. Let's try a skip under there. So we weren't getting any bites around by the dock, so we're gonna go down here to where we catch some fish. I got the topwater and the bandito bug just in case. I might actually start out with the topwater to see if these fish are active at all. Just feeling this bandito bug, it's a little chilly, so I'll leave everything that I use in the description. We had a cold front come through, so that wasn't it. Let's switch over to the bandito bug real quick. Flip under this tree. Sometimes there's usually one hanging out under this tree. Nothing there. So let's cast up along this. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, baby. Got ourselves a little one, little guy. There we go. First fish of the day. Barely hooked. There we go. Not very cold. I'll get a weight just for analytics. I'm using the Rapala digital scale. I've had this for about a year now and it's worked great. Has the temperature on it, so I got it zeroed out. Eight ounces. It's a good size filet mignon, but these aren't filet mignons. So say about 12 inches. I'll do towards the summer, whenever things start heating up, I will I'll do some science in it for this pond, because these bass are small. I'm gonna try maybe on the other side of here. I'm gonna back up to get some distance right in here. Hopefully I didn't scare anybody off. There's something though. It's right there. I don't know what it is. Oh, I just had something smoke it. Oh yeah. Let's go, baby. Number 2. Hey, knock it off. That thing smoked as soon as it hit the water. Similar size. All these fish are about the same size. I'm gonna guess same weight too. Huh. 5 ounces. Looks similar in size, don't it? I mean, it's just 3 ounces of a difference, but there we go. On the old bandito bug. Okay, so now that we're along these rocks, I'm gonna try to see if we can get some topwater action. Probably won't happen just because it's cold, but topwater is like the biggest drug for fishermen. There we go. There we go, baby. First cast on the revolver. There we go. Third one of the day, a little bit bigger. So, don't get a weight on you. I want to get back in there. Because there was one that got spooked off. I want to get back in there because there was one that was spooked. I hope it didn't run off, but that was the first cast on this sucker over here. Hopefully he's got some friends that want to play. Bites like that either really amp up those fish or really kill it. No. No. Oh. Is that really the only fish? I'll make a cast back this way. I really want to run it right. If I could get it like right next to that grain, that would be perfect. But there we go. Just gonna let him tire himself out there. There we go, baby. Number 4, I believe. Came on down pretty good. Warm. There we go, same length. Thanks for playing. I guess there was one over there all along. I wasn't crazy hooking into rocks. Alright, let's try the old skeeter band eater maybe. Nope. Old bumper. Whatever I picked up here. It might work, I don't know. Whoa! Well, there goes the old bumper. Got a bird's nest and broke off. Must have been a fray in my line. This is what we want to avoid, folks. Well, no more bumper. My goodness, first cast. We flew that thing off there. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? Bum-ba-dum-bum. You'd think with that sun setting, the fish would get a little antsy at feeding, but maybe I missed feeding time, or it was right on the back end of it. Oh yeah, we got one. I thought it was a rock. It wasn't. It was a fish. It was a fish. I threw it right up along the rocks. That's why I thought that's what that was, but you're hooked anywhere but the right way. Number 5, I believe. That's a limit. It's got a big, they got big tails, but they're just small. Kind of chunky. Hey, whoa. Go to throw you back and you flew back. You didn't want to go, did you, buddy? Jumped out of my hand. Well guys, as we're walking to get my bait out of a rock, I do want to say there will be no verse of the day for today's episode. I filmed another video, can't remember which. Anyway, I filmed another video. Oh, the barn cleanup, or the barn build and the shop cleanup video. Also, so there will be no verse of the day. The verse of the day was in that one. So I'm just trying to get ahead. There we go. Wow. This one is the littlest of the day for sure. Number 6. These little ones are very feisty. There she is, all her glory, little buddy. Thanks for playing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Productive day, 5 fish. Kind of bad that we broke off on the bumper, but you know, 5 fish, you can't complain about that. Just plain out bass fishing. That's what I love doing, and I love sharing it with you guys. So I really deeply appreciate all of you guys that watch and that like and subscribe. I'd like to give a shout out to Aunt Kim. That's my girlfriend's aunt. She watches all of my videos and comments usually on all of them that I post. So if you guys would like, I can do shout outs to you subscribers. Just let me know in the comments if you want to be shouted out. I can shout out your channel if you want. But thank you, especially Aunt Kim, my parents. My dad watches a lot. My girlfriend, her parents watch every video. But thank you guys. Thank all of you guys so much for watching this. I enjoy doing it. And I love bringing God into it too. God should be number one. He's the reason why I'm doing this. There's no money motivation behind this. It's all to get the word out, get entertainment out to you guys. So I love filming, doing this so much. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the water. Peace.